Hi guys, it's Zoe and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I installed this gorgeous black on silver wig from Yolissa hair from start to finish. If you want to see how I got this look and styled it this way, make sure you keep watching. Okay, so jumping right into the video, like I said at the start, this hair is from Yolissa hair. This is how the hair came packaged. It came in this little satin bag, which is great because you can store the wig in this after. These are the little goodies they sent. They sent a little thank you note. They sent a wig headband, just to like tighten the wig on your head, some eyelashes, and also a wig cap. Now I got this wig in 22 inches. It is a 13x4 and 180% density wig. So taking all the packaging off, this is what it looked like. I think they curled the hair before they sent it to me because this isn't like a body wave texture, so it's definitely like, this is like machine curls. But this is what it looked like. As you can see on the lace, you can see where the individual silver strands had been added onto the lace. So I did end up bleaching this wig after, which you'll see in a second. And I really had to make sure I avoided that area because I didn't want that hair to fall out as it was already blonde. But this is what the hair looked like. This is the texture. I didn't have any shedding with this at all, not even when I washed it. So that's really good on that end. And the lace was also transparent and it blended into my skin really nicely. But you guys will see all of that later. But look at that colour. For the bleach, I just did that off camera. I used my Jerome Russell bleach with the 40 developer. And like I said, avoid that white strip. You do not want your hair to fall out. So yeah, just bleach around that whole area. Once I did that, I also just plucked it off camera. This is what it looked like straight after bleaching. As you can see, some of the knots are still a bit dark, but this was all covered when I installed the wig on my head. This is what the hair looked like when it was completely plucked and ready to go. I love it. I just went for a sleek middle part and just straightened it as well. Here you can get a better idea of what the colour actually looked like. As you can see, it's like a peekaboo effect, very subtle strands of silver, so I really like that. It's not full on in your face. Before putting the wig on my head, I went ahead and just clasped those to this little elastic band that comes on the back of it, and this is just going to tighten it to my head a lot nicer. And I grabbed my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced in the shade Spice Rum, and I'm grabbing it on a dense brush and just blending that into the lace. Once I do that, I'm now gonna pop the wig onto my head, and this is what it looked like. I wasn't 100% sure about the middle part just because I didn't really like how the two little highlights, the strips of white, was sitting on my head, but we'll get into that later. I decided to sort that out after styling the hair. I went ahead and just clipped the hair back and just grabbed my scissors and just started by cutting off the little ear pieces, tab thingies, so I can put the hair behind my ear and get a better idea of where I need to cut the lace. Once I do this, I also cut individual little tabs into the wig. As you can see here, I cut around 4. Now I'm going to take my Better Than Melt wig glue as always. This is the best glue ever. Get it, guys, you won't regret it. I didn't have anywhere to put my wig glue, so I just grabbed like a Pokemon sticker and just, yeah, went ahead and grabbed my eyebrow razor, the back of my eyebrow razor, and just applied the glue. I used about two to 3 layers of this. Once I let the glue dry completely clear, I just placed the lace back over the top and repeated the same to the sides of the head. As you can see, it's already melting in. This lace quality was really amazing, and it was very thin as well. I didn't have to do much to it at all for it to look natural. Now, for some reason, my wigs never stay put on the sides no matter what glue I use, so I just had to grab my Got To Be hairspray, and I just, as you can see, sprayed it onto the sides where my wig is prone to lifting, and just applied a bit of that there before grabbing my wig band and just putting it tightly over my head for about 5 minutes while I just cut some layers into this wig. Now, because the hair is on the shorter side, I did decide to add a few layers to make it a bit more voluminous and add some body to it. As you all know, if you've been watching my videos, I don't know how to cut hair. I'm really just freestyling this. I'm just grabbing chunks from the front and just cutting in a diagonal line with my scissors, as you can see here. and I just did that for the top layer until I got something like this. Once I do this, I'm taking off my wig headband, and I'm now going to go ahead and grab my eyebrow razors again and just cut off all the excess lace that's left to cut off. Once this is done, I can start separating off the baby hairs. I'm grabbing 2 sections on each side, starting from my mid eyebrow, and I'm grabbing my eyebrow razor again. This is like the best tool ever. If you guys don't have one already, go grab one. But I'm gonna cut in a diagonal line again to create a wispy baby hair effect. Once I do this, I'm going to grab my hair straighteners. These are like mini hair straighteners, and I'm just going to curl the baby hairs inwards. Be really careful you don't burn your forehead or face while doing this, because I've definitely done that before, and trust me, the mark it leaves is not cute. Once I do this and they're all curled in place, I'm going to grab my Got2b hairspray, and I'm just going to spray it on the on a toothbrush thingy, and I'm gonna go ahead and style my baby hairs as desired. This is personal preference. You can do as many or as little as you want, but I love a good fluffy baby hair movement. Now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and sort out this parting. So yeah, like I said, the middle does actually look good, but I don't know why the sides with the white stripes were like bothering me. I think I need to like flatten the hair a bit more, so I decided to go ahead and grab the bedhead wax stick with my hot comb, and I just hot combed the parting that I wanted. I didn't go too far with the parting because I wanted the white and the black to still blend on the side that I left out. I'm now going to go ahead and grab my 1.5 inch curling wand, and I'm just going to curl all my hair and clip them in place, spray them with some hairspray, and take them out once everything is all cooled down. Once I've taken out the clips, I'm gonna go ahead and shake my head and give this wig some volume. I love big bouncy curls, and this is the best way to achieve it, especially on a side part. It always just looks insane. But yeah guys, this is the final result of this wig. I think it's so beautiful. It's like a skunk stripe, but not a skunk stripe. It just has so much depth, body dimension. It's so silky. I haven't had any problems with this wig so far, bearing in mind I've only just started wearing it. But the colour, the way they've toned this wig and created this silver effect without it looking like brassy is just unreal. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the links in the description, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.